In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Virtual Ghostwriter and the potential of using AI and machine learning in upcoming projects. So, Virtual Ghostwriter allows you to create different articles, summaries, or answer questions based on what you're putting in and using the power of AI. Now, this product in this platform is made by Stephen Campbell. You'll see a link down below for you to contact him if you're interested in things like this or interested in AI or Bubble. But I really like the potential of platforms like this because there's a lot of different use cases for you to use it in your own business and actually scale out an agency using technology like this. What do I mean by that? First of all, if I'm trying to create content such as a couple blogs per week, before I'd had to pay a copywriter or I'd had to pay someone on Upwork or Fiverr to constantly be putting out content to talk about my content, to keep my SEO rankings up. But here, I can start generating content based off of my own content. So I can type in a few of my phrases or a paragraph of my content, and then I can say complete, and now it will build out the content that I'm looking to have. And where I'm having right here, max character output, it says set the maximum number of characters you want the AI to generate. 1 credit equals 4 characters. So I can bump it up. Say for instance, I want a 400 word, summary or something like that. Now I can start building out a lot of content really quickly. Also, too, what I like about this, it talks about summarizing. So say for instance, there's a huge story or something's going on in my industry and I want to summarize it and just have it distilled down and then write a little bit about it. I can put it in here, plug it in, and then I can summarize it. I'm good to go. So there's a lot of different ways to use this platform to build it out. Now, like I said, number one, I could do this for my own business. Okay, so I could do this for my own brand, for Build With Me, Brand Factoring. But I see the potential if I'm an agency owner and I'm going to be tasked to write certain articles for different companies. Well, I can plug this in and now be able to sustain that workload just by myself by having just the starter. I could do the starter and then put the rest in and then generate it. So there's a lot of potential right here. And then I would modify, obviously, and check if everything's good. This is AI, but I would still make sure that I'm reviewing it. But now a lot of the work is being done for me. I really think this platform, there's just a lot of implications. So there's a lot of different use cases. I'm going to go for an example. I just typed in, what is 100 Thieves? And I said, answer that. And it said 100 Thieves is a fairly new esports gaming brand in North America. It has picked up a handful of players from various organizations after they were put up for sale by organizations. First of all, that's awesome. And that's so true, but it's even more detailed. And then say, for instance, I just put in 100 Thieves. What I like about this, it even talks about the league that they're in. It says the LCS. So they're talking about League of Legends, and then it's summarizing what happened on this off season. It was pretty accurate. I was pretty surprised because they did pick up a lot of players from another team that got disbanded because of implications with the NBA. Like, I would just like to say that's amazing how they're doing that. And I did this, by the way. I just generated this. I had no prior, you're seeing it in real time, and that's why I'm like, it's pretty good. Like it knows exactly what's happening. So yeah, I'm gonna put in something else, but you see how it can summarize. You see how it can answer questions. Let me see what it does with summary right here. So this is my own website. Let me see. This might be a great example. Let's see if I can summarize. Let's go with more pieces of content. Actually, let's go with, I'm going to look up one of my clients and I'm going to see if it can summarize things from Wikipedia. So one of my clients, she's a sports agent. I'm going to put in all of this from Wikipedia and see what it does. So I'm just taking it from Wikipedia. Switch this out. Oop, no, hold on. Let me switch back. Copy, paste. There we go. Okay. So right here, I am just making sure let's see, put all of this stuff. There we go. So I'm just rewriting her name right there. Let's see if it can get a summary. And I said 200 words output. Oh, that's pretty good summary actually. So this is all right here, and then down below it's summarizing, and I'm putting a limit on the output 200 characters. Let me see if I can just bump this up. 400, let's summarize. All right, so it's thinking. Okay, cool. So it's telling me, did I say summarize? Wow, that's interesting. So it picked out, in the summary, it picked out what kind of work she did, and then it made it a Q&A. So, oh my goodness. So it said, what is a sports agent? Someone that negotiates on your behalf, on your outcome. Who pays them? You. Then why do you need them? To negotiate better? That's crazy. So it distilled down, because she is a sports agent, and then it was writing an article for me to break down to break down what was going on. These are just a few examples. Also too, Stephen's awesome when it comes to creating bubble websites, just bubble applications, anything to do with the platform, and also APIs. So if you would like to contact him, there's the links down below to contact him, and also to see more of his content on his YouTube channel. So again, if you have any questions, let me know in the section down below what you're trying to do. If this is a good fit for you, or have more questions about AI and machine learning like this, and I'll talk to you in the next video.